Want to disable Facebook Messenger notifications on iPhone? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to launch open the Settings app on your device. Now scroll down a bit. Here, you will find the option of notifications. Tap on that. Scroll down and you will find the notification style option. Here, you will find a list of applications. Find Messenger and tap on that. As you can see, allow notifications option is toggled on, which means you are able to receive Facebook notifications. But if you want to disable it, simply toggle this option off. Once you toggle it off, you will no longer receive any Facebook Messenger notifications. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. First of all, I'm going to launch open the Messenger application on my device. Now open the conversation where you have the audio message. For example, in my case, this is the audio message that I want to download. Now what you want to do is exit out of the Facebook Messenger app. Then you want to open up any web browser. In my case, I've opened Google Chrome. Now you want to type facebook.com and log into your account. Once you have been logged in, tap on these three dots. Then select the option of desktop site. Now you want to click on the messenger icon. From here, select the conversation. Now, as you can see, there is the audio message. This is what I want to download. Now, you want to click on the three dots next to it. Here, you should find the download option. If you have that option, tap on that and the audio message will be downloaded on your device. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.